In Christian Philippines, there remain practices of a ritual character that exist with or without church approval. Perhaps the most widespread of these practices, which exhibit both Asian and Spanish influences, is the pabasa, a public chanting of the Passion, or long verse narrative on the life and death of Jesus Christ, found in almost every major Christian Philippine language. During the entire season of Lent, groups of singers come together in homes and makeshift chapels to sing the 5-line stanzas of the Passion, an activity that usually lasts at least 12 hours. Called pabasa, or simply Passion, these events are held in fulfillment of panata, vows made to Jesus Christ in exchange for favors sought by or bestowed upon singer, host, their kin, and community. The style of chanting varies, not only from region to region, but even from town to town. Some melodies, also called punto, resemble plain chant. Others are borrowed from popular songs and sung in 2- or 3-part Western harmony.
Patay na ang maglilipay. Patay na ang maglilipay.
Still others are accompanied by instruments playing chordal ostinatos. The vocal timbres and the ornamentation of the melodies, however, suggest an earlier, pre-Spanish tradition. Forms exist all over Catholic Philippines, but these are localized and limited in scope. One ritual where the Spanish element is strongly evident is the Sayao of Makati, performed annually in fulfillment of personal vows in honor of San Pedro and San Pablo.
Pinagtagpuan ng ganitong karaming mga personas.
The flavor is definitely Asian in the Sanghyang of Cavite, which invokes Christian saints and spirits of nature with chants and food offerings. These are invoked by the Magsanghyang in unmetered chant, half spoken and half sung.
Taon-taon naming hiningi. Bakit ba laging nakakalimot kung hindi si Alfredo, alalahanin naman ni kumpadring Alfonso?
Ngayon ay ang wikang tingong manumpang tumitukin na malay ang pilang. kabinet naman ay Diyos. Buat na sa ikot naman ay Diyos. Mo sa ikot naman ay Diyos. Hilo naman ay Santo.